Today we are going to begin exercise 4.4 simple equation chapter. From that exercise 4.4 question number 2, solve the following. Let us read the first question. The teacher tells the class that highest marks obtained by a students in her class are twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest mark score is 87. What is the lowest marks? Here she has given the highest marks. We have to find out the lowest marks. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student is in her class obtained by that lowest marks twice the lowest marks plus 7, that is equal to 87. So let us the lowest marks take it as y, the variable, according to the question twice. So lowest marks twice means 2y, then plus 7 is equal to 87. So let us start simplifying this equation. 2y plus 7 comes, if we shift here it becomes 8 minus 7. 2y is equal to 87 minus 7. 2y is equal to 80. Means 87 minus 80 is equal to 80. Then we are considering only y. If we shift multiplication, it is multiplied with the variable. So if we shift, it becomes division. Then we have to divide that. 2 1s are 2 4s are 0. We will write as it is. So y is equal to 40. Thus the lowest score is 40. Now the second question. In an isosceles triangle, hope you know that isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. In an isosceles, the base angles are equal of a triangle. Equal. The base of the two triangles, triangle, two angles are equal. The vertex angle is the vertex angle. Hope you are understanding the vertex tip. That is 40 degree. What are the base triangle? When we are reading this type of question, better you have to put it in the form of diagram. It makes your work so easy. So let us see the angle. Now the vertex angle is 40 degree. The base angle both are equal. So if we put it in the form of diagram, it becomes very easy. So base two angles are equal. Why? Because it is isosceles. The vertex angle measurement is given. Vertex in the sense here. So it is 40 degree. Now let the base angle of triangle be B. Then given A is equal to 40. B is equal to C. Because these two both angles are equal. Next, given these things, since A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Hope you know that why it is 180 degree. Angle sum property. What it is? Angle sum property. So it is all three. If you add it, all three angles, if you add it, you will get 180. 40 plus B plus C is equal to B. So we are replacing the C. B is equal to C. 40 plus B plus B, 2B is equal to 180 degree. 2B is equal to 180 minus 40. 140. 2B is equal to 140. Then 140, if we shift these two to here, it becomes division. 2 1s are 2 7s are, you will get 70 degree. So B is equal to 70 degree. Thus the base angle of the isosceles triangles are each 70 degree. 70 degree each. Both downside. Vertex angle is 40 degree. So in this way we have to, if we put it in the form of diagram, it becomes easy for everyone. See question. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul together. Their runs fell too short of a double century. How many runs did each one score? Dear students, Sachin scored twice. Twice means 2 times as many runs as Rahul together. Their runs fell too short of a double century. Too short of a double century. How many runs did he each score? Let the score Rahul be an X. Then it will be Sachin will be twice. So 2x. According to the question, x plus x is equal to 198. How we got 198? Because it is short of a double century. Double century means 100. Double means 200. Short means 2 is less. So we are getting x plus x. 2x is equal to 198. 3x is equal. Now x plus 2x, it becomes 3x. 3x is equal to 198. X is equal to 198 divided by 3. If it is not possible in this way, you can go for a division. 3 6 are 18. 8 comes down. 3 6 are 18. You will get 66 runs. The Rahul score 66. Then the Sachin score. Then you multiply it by 2. Then you will get 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 132. So Sachin's score is 132. Hope you are understanding. These are very interesting, just like playing a game. So enjoy the games with the help of the algebra. Thank you.